extra grand entrance for SB19 at Mall of Qatar PressCon for Doha Simula at Wakas concert. SB19's PressCon at the Mall of Qatar for their Simula at Wakas World Tour concert in Doha is definitely one for the books. This could be the grandest PressCon ever in their Simula at Wakas World Tour. Just look at their entrance, and of course, the screaming from the fans.
Now that we set the stage, it's time for what we've all been waiting for. The Gates of People, who brought Olympia to the global stage as record-breaking